Credit movement in this country started in 1904 and it had its own difficulties since the last several decades. The main problem regarding cooperative credit has been that it has been untimely and inadequate. In 1904, the Cooperative Societies Act was passed, which was later amended in 1914. Then there were certain committees appointed and they reported about the weaknesses of the credit movement in the country. In 1919, this subject of cooperation was transferred to the states, after which several states passed cooperative acts of their own. Thereafter, in 1929, the Royal Commission made certain inquiries about cooperation and credit movement and made certain recommendations, and till 1950 or 1951 there was very little improvement in the field of cooperation. In 2001, the Reserve Bank appointed a Rural Credit Survey Committee which brought out its report in 2004. That committee came to the conclusion that only 3% of the credit required by the agriculturists in the country was being met by the cooperatives, and it made certain suggestions. It suggested that there should be an integrated credit structure in the country and said that there should be share participation by the governor in the cooperative societies. It suggested that the government should take shares in the cooperative societies so that the cooperative movement can get strength through government participation. The second recommendation made by the Rural Credit Survey Committee was that there should be linking of credit with marketing, processing, consumption, storage, and all other fields of activities so that the credit will develop marketing, consumption, processing, etc. Yet another recommendations was that there should be a training program for the non-officials. The fourth recommendations and the most salient feature one was that there should be a three-tier structure of credit, that there should be cooperative societies at the lower level, then there should be